Every billion-dollar company had one thing in common before they scaled: funding. Not ideas, not talent, not luck. Capital. So the real question is, how do serious entrepreneurs actually access billion-dollar funding? Today, I'll show you the top 5 real methods used worldwide, and the hidden system most people never discover. Some of these methods are slow, some are expensive, some cost you control, and one of them might change everything. Way number 1: banks and institutional loans. Banks provide business loans, credit lines, and institutional financing. For decades, this has been the standard path, but here's the problem. Banks require heavy collateral, long paperwork, months of approval, and strict repayment schedules with interest. And if you're asking for hundreds of millions or billions, approval becomes nearly impossible. Banks are slow, and modern business moves fast. Way number 2: venture capital and private equity. Investors inject large capital into your company. Sounds great until you read the contract. They take ownership, they take control, they influence decisions. You might get funding, but you lose independence. For many founders, that price is too high. Way number 3: public fundraising. IPO crowdfunding, token sales, public investors. This gives access to large capital pools, but it also brings public scrutiny, legal complexity, regulations, market pressure, and your business becomes exposed to volatility. It's expensive, might slow, and very complicated. Way number 4: private crypto liquidity. This is where modern finance starts changing. Crypto allows capital to move globally, instantly, without banks. Large traders and institutions already use crypto reserves to manage liquidity, but most platforms are still unstable. Some are risky, some lack structure, and many are not built for serious business use. So while crypto is faster, trust and reliability become critical. Which brings us to the 5th method, the one most people never hear about. Way number 5: the hidden system, BCHT. BCHT, Bitcoin Cash Transfer, a global regulated nonprofit crypto fund supply organization, built specifically to provide large-scale crypto funding to entrepreneurs, traders, investors, business owners, and high-net-worth individuals. Not trading, not speculation, not investment promises. Pure business liquidity. Let's know more in depth about BCHT. Through its proprietary holding software, BCHT manages structured crypto reserve pools. These reserves are maintained specifically to supply capital for real business purposes. Once an applicant passes BCHT's eligibility and compliance verification, they receive controlled access to significant funding capacity. Depending on the holding category, that capacity can scale from hundreds of Bitcoin to thousands, even billion-dollar equivalents. BCHT operates as a nonprofit organization. Its mission isn't profit extraction. Its mission is enabling business growth. When entrepreneurs grow, economies grow. When businesses scale, opportunities multiply. That's why BCHT focuses only on serious, verified users. What actually it is? BCHT is designed for entrepreneurs, professional traders, investors, business owners, and high-net-worth individuals. Not gamblers, not get-rich-quick seekers. Serious operators only. You will be able to know how exactly BCHT provides billions in funding. Please check the description or click on this I button and there have live funding video. So let's compare. Banks, slow. VC, lose control. Public fundraising, complicated. General crypto, risky. BCHT, private, structured, eligibility-based, built for business. If you're serious about scaling to millions, or even billions, stop chasing capital. Access the right system. Visit BitcoinCashTransfer.com or search BCHT Bitcoin on YouTube. Apply, qualify, get funded. BCHT, funding the entrepreneurs who build the future.